Hi, my name is Mark from SafeGear. In this video, I will explain how to open the EM3520 Electronic Safe Lock by M-Locks and how to set your own manager code. It is really easy to do when you watch this video and read your user manual. Thanks to its sleek, clean design, the EM3520 well fits easily any interior from a professional environment like an office to the ones of your modern home. To operate your safe for the first time, enter the factory code 126 to unlock the door and open. If code entry failed on first attempt, wait 20 seconds before re-entering. Now, let me show you how to set your new personal code. Make sure that you only program the lock when the safe door is open. This high-security locking software is able to memorize one manager code and one 6-digit user code. Remember, you have a maximum of 10 seconds for each key entry. If you do not make an entry via the keypad during this period of 10 seconds, the entry procedure will automatically abort and you must then start again from the beginning. So press and hold 0 until you hear a double tone and the LED illuminate. Now enter the factory code 126. Now enter your new personal code. Enter the new code again. I chose 621. Your new manager code is now set and your safe is ready to operate. Now, let's test your new code. The safe is open. Your new EM3520 Electronic Safe Lock is now programmed and ready to protect your valuables. On behalf of SafeGear, thank you for watching our video.